Welcome to our Partner Quick Start Guide. In this 5th video tutorial, we'll show you how to write and send email introductions, invitations, and reminders using the Partner platform. First, open the project you're working on from the home page and navigate to the Email Manager by clicking Emails in the project menu at the top of the page. Email templates are the pre-written messages sent to your network and have 3 types. Introductions, which explain that a survey is coming, an invitation with a link to take the survey, and a series of reminder emails that provide people one last opportunity to take the survey. To create an email template, click Templates at the top of the page in the email menu. Click New Template to create your first template. Give it a specific name and choose a starting type of template, one of the 3. You can then customize your specific email message below. You can use the email variables listed on the left side of the page to customize your emails further for each member. Click Save when you're finished. To assign an email template to send, return to the main template page. At the top, identify the email type that you'd like to assign. Select your customized template that you'd like to send as that type of email. To schedule your emails to send, click Automated Scheduling in the email menu. We recommend selecting the first option to use our best practice inspired email schedule. On the right, you can create your own email schedule by selecting a date and time in the future to send each type of email. You must have templates assigned for automated schedules to send. To edit your email settings, click Settings in the email menu. You can edit your signature, reminder thresholds, collaborator access, and other details here. To check your email status, click Summary in the email menu. Here, you can view your activity status, email schedule, response rate, and look up individual members and their engagement. Once you've sent all of your emails and have collected your data, you'll be ready to start analyzing it using the Network Analyzer. We'll dig into that tool in our next video.